Hey fam,
Hey guys.
welcome once more to Debbie's Jamaican family. It's another day. Thank the Lord for His mercies, for taking us through the night and into another day. So a few weeks ago I did a little short showing you that we will be making recipes. So I'm here with Kimmy from the Jamaican Mukbang and Vlog.
Hey guys, we are making jerk chicken quiche. So we have the flour here, the salt and the butter. And also we have on this platter cheese. I don't know if you guys seen it. Cheese, mozzarella cheese, onion, pepper, sweet pepper, tomato, and jerk chicken and scallion. We are making jerk chicken quiche.
So I have never made this before. It is Kimmy's idea. It's her recipe. She did it already. I have no knowledge of it. I have a little knowledge, but of
First
more
we're
like
making
yeah.
jerk chicken.
I
don't
don't
use jerk
know. I have
chicken
never made a
before.
quiche, but I actually understand the type of pastry that she's making.
Flaky pastry.
Yeah. So show them what you have.
So, as I say guys, cold butter, flour, salt, and an egg. And an egg. Baby.
Yeah, so I'll be doing the cutting. I use the pastry blender here and cutting the cold butter into the flour. Mm-hmm. And I feel like I that one come up with more.
Come on, you're good. Just
If
lift
you
up
go
your
a
hand
bit
if you
far
want.
from me, so my hand holding I can't lift up.
If you go down more, you're not going to see everything. Unless you go over.
Raise,
No,
no,
go
you
over.
go that in.
No, mom, I go. We are going
Our space is very limited, me Alice telling us that these things require lots of space. Making recipes and baking, I always tell her that these require, I always tell her they require a whole lot of space, workspace, and that is what we actually don't have. So I am cutting the cold butter into the flour. I quite understand that, but the rest of the recipe, I'm here with her, and I guess she understands it more than I do. Cutting the pastry, the cold butter, into the flour to get this cut a coarse cornmeal look, which I quite understand. I'm very familiar with that. Yeah. So, I'm doing that. And we catch you around. You
guys,
make
now
sure-
we take over from her and help her because
Yeah.
a young girl something with this.
Yeah, make
And
sure
I've
that
heard
all
it
of this are young girls. Something. They are watching. They are watching and them not miss nothing. So make sure when you preach a part where it's not young girl thing. You know see how it go. Them are watch and then we start it out in the comment section.
But you know, glad to be help with the hand.
Me?
The unrest.
Me just want to make sure as you go through this recipe, I are all young girl. We don't have a problem. Me not say nothing, you know. No, we are waiting for everybody. Me not expect nobody to call Miss Debbie. Yeah, no, I
That
don't.
one, so man.
No, I don't.
Me I help you, man. Me I make you unrest.
For me, and
That me just stand on it and hurt me.
oh, yeah, say you could have fooled me. You could have fooled me.
I will show them so
I
far.
think that
See
should
you
be
so far,
fine. That
guys.
should be okay. If I may do it all girl and would I done long time, because two slap me slap. So you need to clean up the butter. You come. Because I not take on one, you know. I not pray for them, the young people. Yeah. Prayers up for young people them. Them full of chat and less action. See the whole on. Yeah, see there so you do it, you know, as it is you get you will you're not done, you're not there. You need to crumble a little more. Come on, young girl, work up your hand.
You know, just at me.
Yeah, work up your hand. Show them how young girl work their hand.
Miss Debbie, not because I tell you that.
I'm gonna be very hard on you. Well, come in, Barry, come in. All of the people in my ear, them are gonna burn you out. Watch. So that is how you do it, because you don't know how much what size this is gonna give you. So if you have surplus dough, you will know how to make the measurement
Base and the part.
based on this what you're doing now from the size
Salad
that
pan.
you're using. See there?
So we are using this
Sure,
size
let me
pan,
know.
guys.
I took like a 9-inch or something. Pipe pan. So you see what coarse cornmeal? Yeah. Do it too. I'm gonna go and get in the look of cleanser.
So we use ice water.
Just a little, and from what me understand.
Yeah, we use little at a time.
But you don't want the dough being too soft.
No, that's why I said little at a time. So come on now. See that mix in there?
But I didn't know that you put egg into a flaky pastry.
Yeah, you can use it to combine it together.
Okay.
You don't have to, but you can.
Oh, okay.
You know, everybody recipe is different.
Different. We are
Yes.
making recipes, guys. It's not a prim and proper. I am just asking as I go along. Hmm? I don't know everything. Just made this juice cleanse. This cleanse, and it builds your system. So I drink it as I go along. So them I get all passing through about. Yeah.
Miss Debbie, I get what if I
This is
rubber?
it. Yeah. Let me see.
It come
Yeah.
along.
So, yeah. Show them.
Make sure them. You coming along, guys? You want to go off, right?
No. Not my favorite my hand. Me not take over. And that is why I say, in the mixer it will be too stiff for the mixer.
But you can't use the mixer though. You have to just know
You
how
know
to
how
use.
mash up your mixer more too.
The mixer strong.
You know if you get no what I need in a mama
I
room.
know, I have to get everything.
Yes, you have to get that and you don't want too much water.
And it's already cool and something.
That's why you have to work your hand fast, girl. And in your hand.
These are come up, man.
You use it clean around the pan because when you're done the pan for clean. I'm gonna take me and put this pan the stove because should you be reheating the stove now?
Yeah, okay, you should have preheat
When me
it. I show them so far.
Yeah, you want so far you're done. You're not supposed to get no the pan.
Is
You're
it,
supposed to
guys?
just clean the pan.
The pan clean. The pan here.
Clean it some more. And I think that dough is a lot. So you will know how to
Base.
measurements now.
Based on the
And
dish.
what you just took, and it was more flour that you had there.
Yeah, based on the dish. So you know, so this will be like a one or something.
This look like it'll give about 2. Let's see. We'll see. We'll
Yeah,
need
this
some
because
plastic
remember say
wrap.
it go
Roll out.
yeah, and you have to do flat. Thin.
So do you float the edges?
Yeah.
You ever float the edges?
Yeah, me and you.
Hey! No! Are we recording? Yes, we are recording. I'm worried to record.
Guys.
Yeah, you because the floating at the edges now is very challenging. So me and you are going to float. The old girl are going to float edge with you. Yeah, man.
Yes. We don't like our carry on.
All woman, yeah. You float the edge. Float the edge, but then you see. I think that's enough cooking. I don't think you need to be. I don't want you don't want to over knead this thing.
No, I just show them.
Yeah, I think you can preheat this oven now. How
So
much
we
you
will be
preheat?
right back, guys. So guys, Miss Debbie take over now with her strong arm.
You know, so I'm not really take over, you know.
Why?
Shouldn't we make this dough rest a bit? It's cool. Should we not make it rest a bit?
You want the
Should we?
rest of it?
Not
before?
really.
No, we can roll it. Because remember, I say.
Come on, young girl. Put your hand on. Roll that, girl.
Come on,
Come, Kimmy. Roll to the
Come now,
surface.
come now. Come now, Miss
Come.
Debbie.
Yeah. Roll.
One direction if you go.
One direction.
That
Yeah,
you
back
normally
to-
do?
Yeah, I don't really know, you know, car. Want a little flour.
Yeah, kind of. Guys, let me see how Miss Debbie stay though.
You can't call my name. Don't lift it yet. Don't lift it yet. Roll. I've never made this, you know. I've never made this, but I see it being made. And I know I can do it because, yeah. So I'm just watching you.
No, you not watch me. You assist me. You
Okay.
roll
My assistant, me tell you something. You work for nothing, you know. That me I tell you. As an older man, you can't work for nothing, you know, Ali Button. And you know, so you look like so this,
You can go do it, right?
Yeah. I'm not gonna have none. Is it supposed to be thin? What?
Yeah, you're not supposed to.
Really thin?
Yeah. Flaky pastry.
So we all get it lift up now.
Yeah, lift it up in the can lift up. Yeah, lift it up.
Okay. Take your time. I think you're ready for lift up then.
Wait.
You think you're ready for lift
Wow,
up?
some over here so. Yeah. One direction.
Then I wonder if me go, girl.
You see the strong hands, guys? Yeah, man, this
Yeah.
can lift up.
Mm-hmm. How do you lift it up? Hold on.
Yeah, and I use.
You're supposed to use your hand.
Take it to.
And this I'm not sure if
The flour is already.
if the let's take our time. The flour the place enough. Let's we get in there. Let's take our time. The place it's cold. Should be a little colder too, you know. Get your hand under the door too.
Yeah, that, no, maybe you have to lift up the edges first to get it, you don't want to tear or anything. You see that?
Them see man, well, not never them no see. Where is the
Remember you did
scissors?
that
Me not no scissors, you know.
Oh, you
And when
took
you do
out
it,
the
come. You, hold on, not do that. Get the thing down in there so first and set down in there so first. Before you go on with them arms out. Where's the scissors? We need a scissors.
scissors.
Me don't know. Hold on. One set the door in the place. In the thing.
Set the door there.
In the bottom.
Oh,
Aren't you gonna prick it?
it's this one.
So I'm gonna cut it.
Yeah, I'm going to cut it out. You know you're going to fix it. Look at the edges.
Yeah, me know me I got to come.
Oh, no, we're not doing it together.
You don't throw away those, you know.
We know. We're not doing it together. Miss Debbie?
Let them see, let them see where we are do.
When I reach one other side, I'm not going to see it. Right that side.
Look here.
Here.
If me tell them that the first me do this, you know. This is the first I'm doing this.
Cut around edges.
Cut around edges. Doing the flaky pastry. I've never done it.
Oh.
But
Go
me
up
try.
little more. Go up little more.
Yeah, me not forgot no more. Remember say you float the edge and you need the excess roundness of the float the edge. Remember say we are trying, we are trying to get it the best as possible. This thing have a float, right?
Yeah, it already have it on there.
Alright, so me I float it as how me do my gizzarda. Something like this. Or something like this.
Wait. Yeah, make it wait now.
No, because it's thin. That's
Yeah, no
what
man.
say.
Use the two. Yes, so.
So maybe me
like
too
how-
strong.
Yeah,
See
oh,
it
yeah.
here?
Like, wait, hold on. Let me do it.
The pastry is getting cold, it'll get hot, that's why.
Yeah, man,
But you have to move your hand fast.
Yeah, me I
Kimmy.
move my hand fast. Take your time, man.
Yeah, you can't take your time when this
Yeah,
has
man, yeah.
something
But
there.
it a tear, no make no sense.
Yeah, because it'll get the pastry did for cola. But you not going bad still.
Yes, I need to do them something.
So what me you figure about them?
Some the time now, it's me that busy man.
So this we can put some. We use the fork to put some thing there in there. You know, say not going bad. But I give 2 out of 10.
Yeah, this me.
Me not this, me just I do it fast. Do it
Oh,
fast.
me not for go on, but I give me 2 out of 10. That makes sense.
Alright. So whilst that is baking, you have to prepare the filling. How long does it bake for? This girl don't know. 350 after how long you blind bake it. Carry the peas them come. You have to, we say you have
Now
to
blind
find-
bake it for 15 minutes first.
So
and
bring the
see.
thing with the
With the
file
file,
come,
yeah.
with the beans them. Come,
This is
do
the
your
file,
thing.
this is the file?
Come Kimmy, come.
Oh.
You see the thing is these places are things that we do in a cool place, you know, with the pastry. Okay, so this is what it looks like. What is something you make name?
Quiche.
Yeah, quiche. What kind of quiche, right name?
Jerk chicken quiche.
So guys, I don't know, Kimmy do fair something different. Me go so that you. I'm using remember this is might not come out because I'm using the beans and some black eyed peas. It should have been some bigger bean. I put it in there for bake. I don't know how long it for bake for.
Make it stay
Like a little blind bake, 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Come. At 350. Get going for the what is something the name the filling. I don't have a clue how the filling make. I don't know about that one. Me a little piece of plastic for this extra door. I'm going to clean up the table. Why is something there? Then something require a lot of space here. That's what we don't have, but we're trying. By God's grace, we'll get better space. We need a more work table, bigger work table. And an AC unit. When you have
Wait,
them kind of place where you can't do it now. It's an atmosphere.
Me do.
Here. Come, Kimmy, come, Kimmy. That is what bought you, you know. You tell the truth on camera now, you know. You need time management. You
Well,
know.
you tell me say we go for the stuff. Go for the stuff.
No, the same thing with Cobb. The same thing with Cobb. You know, can't angle yourself on time. You know, also me miserable, you know, but when you have work, when you have time frame.
Wait, what the pot? Where are you?
Well, what pot? I don't even know you needed a pot.
So where would the filling in?
I don't know. See a pot up there. See one here.
Yeah, okay.
That's what I was saying.
That's what I'm telling you. All you need time management. When you do these things, you gotta do. You must be abrupt. You waiting. You have space to work. Here that the cross is it just preheat. Me not keep it in here, you know. That me I tell you about it, you know. I have no use sweet brother. Throw you off, man. If you throw you off. Bad thing. 15-20 minutes to preheat. That's no good. What you tell them, you don't tell them. It's not like a recipe thing to say you for follow, you know. We are just showing you. It's just a little thing we're doing differently to show you. You can encourage us, you can leave your comments, you can put your input too. If you have ever done this, you can tell us how you do it. Right? I don't know, I've never done this. Platter one lighter. You want some light stainless steel platter for them something.
Yeah,
So you put in everything basically without the cheese.
yeah.
So you know if you make them all up.
You never tell them we just want putting everything first. So guys, I leave back the cheese because I'm going to put in the evap milk before the cheese.
So you basically you're sauteing off those.
Yeah.
Alright. Because you know then soon after the recipe, you know, but the recipe is not here. Where will it be? On your website?
On your website.
Oh.
I just want to cook flavor because remember the jerk chicken already cooking now.
Yeah, it has feet flavor already. So the
Yeah.
jerk chicken is in there too?
Yes, everything is in there.
Okay, so we want to show them it.
So guys, I'm adding in the cheese now after the evap
So
milk.
basically, I thought we were recording, but at some point we were not. So she sauteed the seasonings with the jerk chicken, then added the evaporated milk. Now she's adding our cheese. And it is going to come to whatever. What is it going to come to?
a nice paste.
Nice smooth paste.
Yeah.
Okay, is the cheese enough to hold it together?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, or maybe we can add a little more. Depends.
The Velveeta take longer for melt, you know.
Yeah, so we'll just make it,
So
put
is
it down pan
Velveeta the
low.
correct cheese?
Any cheese you want to use is the cheese of your choice.
It's not the cheese of your choice, it's the cheese that suits the dish best, give me. So guys, this just came from the oven. As you can see, just popping with the cheese. Alright, it's Kimmy's recipe that she did when she was doing foods in school. We are leaving it here to cool down. It's more like a pie, so the pastry is really crispy and nice. So I'm not sure if the Velveeta cheese was the correct cheese. Would
No,
you say?
we won't use but the
We would
Velveeta
never,
next
because
time.
remember, this is not the perfect recipe, and Dad him stand up right this like 4 years. Where you say 4 years? How you think this look?
We would use the Velveeta.
And the taste of it, yeah.
The
Yeah,
taste
the
really
food, the
nice.
look too. But okay, we have got to wait on it to cool. This is cheese and it takes a pretty long time. We're not going to cut it here. We're going to cut it on the Jamaican Mukbang and Vlog as we wait on it to cool, which takes a pretty good time. So I would say change of cheese, yeah, it's firming up around there, yes, it's good. We test it in the middle and it come out clean, so it's good. Color there with the thing, but I don't know about this little thing at the top. I have never had a quiche, but at the top they look quiche to me.
Yeah.
But I don't know. We will read upon the cheese and see if a cheddar cheese.
Will
I
be
think
better.
a cheddar cheese which will be more smooth. It's smooth.
It's better.
Yeah, I think at cheddar cheese, because what we are going to be doing, we are going to check now. We are going to come with measurements, not to say thing to thing. For you to get the right measurement and the recipe, you will have to visit a website, but we are going to make it for you again. Use a different cheese, get the exact measurements. This is just a rough thing. We are making the recipe, and I think that we should get it.
Yeah, we didn't do
Yeah. So with the pastry maybe look a little bit overbaked to me. I'm not sure.
No, I think
But let
it's
it
good.
cool down. As it cools down, we will see. So if you watch us on the Jamaican Mukbang and Vlog, that's Kimmy's channel. It's her recipe. We're gonna test it there, because they have to give it another 45 minutes to an hour for set, and then we are gonna eat it there and we're gonna see how it go with. So thanks for watching. Give us your feedback, what you think. Should we come back to perfect it with you? Should we be doing more recipes? What do you think? Thank you all for watching, and we'll catch you with another video or on another live.